So our next problem is, if f of x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, then find f of cos 2 theta. Here given f of x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, we need to find f of cos 2 theta. So first let us find f of cos 2 theta. So that is, put x is equal to cos 2 theta here, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So that is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, that is submultiple angles formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta, it is also submultiple angles formula from trigonometry. Here 2 gets cancelled, sin square by cos square is tan square theta. So we got f of cos 2 theta is equal to tan square theta. Next we need to find f of cos 2 theta. So that is equal to f of tan square theta. So that is, f of tan square theta is, put x is equal to tan square theta, it will be 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is directly formula again, this is formula for cos 2 theta. Therefore f of cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay. So our next problem is, f of 2x plus 3y comma 2x minus 3y is equal to 24xy, then find f of x comma y. So here given f of 2x plus 3y, so that is two x plus 3y comma 2x minus 3y is equal to 24x. Okay, so here observe, here I can write 24xy as 2x plus 3y whole square minus 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, so this is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So if you simplify this, you will get again 24xy. So I wrote 24xy as 2x plus 3y whole square minus 2x minus 3y whole square. This is f of 2x plus 3y comma 2x minus 3y. So here we need to find f of x comma y. F of x comma y. So in place of 2x plus 3y, put x. In place of 2x minus 3y, put y. So it will be 2x plus 3y whole square will be x square. Similarly 2x minus 3y will be y square. So f of x comma y is x square minus y square. So our next problem is, if f of x is a polynomial such that f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x, and f of 3 is given as 28, then find f of 4. Here given f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of x is a polynomial. So there is a trick here. If a polynomial satisfies this condition, then f of x is equal to x power n plus 1. Okay, actually plus or minus 1 you can take. Here plus 1 satisfies. So if we take f of 3, f of 3 is given as 28. So f of x is x power n plus 1, right? F of 3 means put x is equal to 3. 3 power n plus 1 is equal to 28. 3 power n is equal to 28 minus 1 is 27. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. Implies comparing n is equal to 3. Therefore f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Now we need to find f of 4. F of 4 means 4 cube plus 1. 4 cube is 64 plus 1. That is equal to 65. Therefore f of 4 is equal to 65. So our next problem is f of x is equal to x minus x by x minus 1. Then find f circle, f circle, f circle, f circle, and so on. F comes 17 times of x. So here given f of x is equal to x by x minus 1. First let us find f circle f of x. F circle f of x means it's a composite function, that is f of x. That is f of x by x minus 1. So we have f of x is x by x minus 1, right? Now f of x by x minus 1 means put x by x minus 1 in place of x. That is x by x minus 1 divided by x by x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so now simplify this. This is equal to x by x minus 1. So this is x. Here if we take LCM, 1 into x minus 1, that is minus x plus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so here x minus 1 gets cancelled, and x also gets cancelled. So x by 1 is there. X by 1 is equal to what? That is equal to x. Therefore f circle f of x, I got x. Okay, now what will be f circle of x? F circle f, 3 f's. So we already have 2 f's value is x, so 3 f's value will be f of x. Okay, so observe here, if we have even number of f's, we have x. If we have odd number of f's, we have f of x. So in the question what we need to find? F circle, and so on. F comes 17 times of x. 17 is odd number, right? So odd number we will get f of x. Okay, so our next problem is if f of x is equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2, then find f of x plus y comma x minus y. So f of x is given as 3 power x 3 power minus x by 2. Now f of x plus y comma x minus y is equal to, so there is a printing mistake here. This is f of x plus y plus f of x minus y, f of x plus y plus f of x minus y. So question, there is a printing mistake. This is f of x plus y plus f of x minus y. Okay. So here first f of x plus y means put x plus y in place of x. So that is 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus of x plus y divided by 2 plus f of x minus y. Similarly 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus of x minus y divided by 2. So I am substituting in place of x. Now this is, so we have a formula a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n, right? So here 3 power x plus y can be written as, how it can be written, 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x minus y. So that is 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y by 2 is there. So I am writing 2 for this, I am writing 2 for this, plus this is 3 power x into 3 power minus y by 2. This is 3 power minus x 3 power plus y, minus into minus plus y divided by 2. So observe here 3 power x by 2 is there, here also 3 power x by 2 is there. If I take 3 power x by 2 common, so here I have 3 power y, here I have 3 power minus y, plus here 3 power minus x by 2 is there, here also 3 power minus x by 2 is there. If I take 3 power minus x by 2 common, this is 3 power minus y, this is 3 power y. So this is 3 power y plus 3 power minus y, this is 3 power minus y plus 3 power, both are same only. So here I can take 3 power y plus 3 power minus y common, so I have 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Okay, so this is the given function, so that is f of x. So here same as the given function, but we have y is there and 2 is not there. So if I multiply and divide by 2 here, so this is again our given function in terms of y, that is f of y, here extra 2 is there, that is 2 f of y f of x. So f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 2 into f of y into f of x. So our next problem is f of x plus y is given as f of x plus f of y and f of 1 is given as 3 by 2. Find sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of r. So here we need to find sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of r, that is first r is equal to 1, that is f of 1, next r is equal to f of 2 and f of 3 and so on. So it is summation means plus and so on up to f of n for r is equal to n. So we have f of 1 value, but we don't have f of 2, f of 3 and so on f of n values. So here we use the condition f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Given function f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So xy belongs to r is given, so I am taking x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. then f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1. So f of 1 plus 1 is f of 2. F of 2 is equal to, this is 2 into f of 1. Similarly, if I take x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, then f of 2 plus 1, f of 2 plus f of 1. So we already have f of 2 value here, that is 2 into f of 1, 2 f of 1 plus f of 1, that is 3 f of 1. So this is f of 3 is equal to 3 f of 1. Similarly, we can find f of 4 is 4 f of 1, f of 5 is 5 f of 1, and so on. F of n is equal to n into f of 1. Okay, sorry about the disturbance. So f of n is equal to n into f of 1. So here we can substitute in the sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of r, that is f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus and so on f of n. So f of 1 is f of 1, and f of 2 we found the value as 2 into f of 1, f of 3 is 3 into f of 1, and so on. F of n is n into f of 1. So here f of 1 we can take common. We take f of 1 common, here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, and so on up to n. So f of 1 value is, it is given, that is given as 3 by 2, and this is sum of first n natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n. Its value is, we already know, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so that is equal to what? 3 by 2 into 2, 4, 3 by 4 into n plus 1. Okay, sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of r. Let's do one more problem. So find the domain of f of x is equal to 3 by 4 minus x square plus log of x cube minus x to the base 10. Okay, domain means the values of x for which the function is defined. So here two functions are there. 3 by 4 minus x square is one function, log of x cube minus x by 10 bit to the base 10, sorry. So here we take first one. Here denominator 4 minus x square is there, so here I write here f of x is defined if 4 minus x square not is equal to 0, and here for the logarithmic, what is the condition? X cube minus x greater than 0. Okay, x cube minus x greater than 0. Here I will write the formulas. So what are the formulas? Domain of 1 by f of x is f of x not is equal to 0, x such that, and log f of x is f of x greater than 0. If you solve this f of x not is equal to 0, f of x greater than 0, you will get the x values. So here I applied these formulas. One is 4 minus x square not is equal to 0, that is x plus 2. One is 2 minus x not is equal to 0, a square minus b square applied. So x is not is equal to 2 is 1 minus 2, and here x cube minus x greater than 0. So here if I take x common, x into x square minus 1 greater than 0. So x into x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1 greater than 0. So here we can use the giant formula. You need greater than 0, right? So one is, if x greater than 0, then this x plus 1 and x minus 1 must be also greater than 0. So that is and. Or if x less than 0, then x plus 1 and x minus 1 must be also less than 0. Here also and. Okay, we need to solve these two conditions. So x greater than 0, here greater than 0 is there, so x values lies outside the roots. Here our roots will be minus 1 plus 1. So that is x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1, or here x less than 0 and here less than 0 is there, so x values lies between the roots. So roots are minus 1 and 1. This is minus 1 less than x less than 1. So here and is there, so we need to take the intersection. X greater than 0, x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. So intersection for this is x greater than 1. So I am writing directly. Or here x less than 0 and minus 1 less than x less than 1. So here intersection will be what? So here x should be less than 0, right? So minus 1 less than x less than 0. Okay, so R is, we need to take the union. So final domain of f of x will be, domain of f of x will be, so add all this. First minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0. Okay, next x greater than 1, x greater than 1, that is, so here union will be there 1, but we need to exclude the values. Here 2 is there, minus 2 is there, so we need to exclude 2. So that is 1 to 2 union 2 to infinity. So minus 2 is already is not there. So the final domain of the given f of x is minus 1 to 0 union 1 to 2 union 2 to infinity.